Payolee review, accept payments on your website. You've got your online business set and ready to roll in the cash. But how do you do so? That's something most of you tend to forget while setting up your businesses online. Yes, you have a beautiful website, next to that is the products or services that are ready to be sold, but there is no actual way to accept payments online. Start taking one-time or recurring payments on your website with Payolee. No coding required. Why Payolee over other proven services as an online payment gateway? The first question anyone asks is, why not go with services that are already proven to be great? And to be honest, I don't have any problem if anyone chooses any one of those services. But as I've mentioned earlier, those services are better suited for a big company more than a company that is just getting started. Those businesses look for the cheapest way to accept credit card payments online. And that's where Payolee emerges to be winning. They are offering the same level of secure online transactions for half the cost and even less. And they are redefining the entire online transaction system, which makes them the first choice for many small enterprises. So, what benefits Payolee has? Easy to sign up. From the very beginning, you feel comfortable with the payment processing software. It's so easy to sign up on Payolee. And it's free. So, kudos to them. But to be fair, most services today let you sign up for free. The fact that it is easier makes it more compelling. Easy to set up. Unlike other online payment gateways, you don't require any coding to integrate the software on the website. You just simply add the transaction system on your business website with a couple of simple steps and bang, you're ready to trade. And obviously, that makes Payolee a better option for those who don't have the technical knowledge or the manpower to handle those things for them. So, now anyone can build their website and add the payment gateway on their own. Subscription model. Some business depends on sales while some business work on something known as the subscription-based model. So, let me clear things for you if you don't know what it is. For example, you run a local gym and the member to your gym has to pay monthly fees to come in and work out. So, they have to pay the charges regularly from month to month. Unlike a bakery, where people come, order and pay. No merchant account. One thing that makes Payolee unique from its contemporaries is that they kept things simple. The reason for saying so is that you have to set up a merchant account for businesses. But what Payolee did brilliantly is that they get rid of the merchant account altogether. Bridges the gap. As I have mentioned a couple of times, the simplicity factor of the payment gateway is key to its success. They have provided businesses to accept payments online without a merchant account. That's something unheard of before Payolee. But they have bridged the gap of the transaction between customers and businesses in such a way that both parties feel comfortable using their online credit card processing over others. Secure transaction. There are so many online payment services out there that it's hard to pick one. However, very few offer a secure transaction system. And that's where Payolee comes up on top with some of the best payment processing software. Raising funds. Yes, Payolee is targeted mainly towards small local businesses. However, there are other things that some people forget which makes it so great. And one such feature is its online fundraising platform. That's right. Payolee lets you accept donations online. So, is Payolee for you or not? I think the answer you're looking for is already being fed to you. But if you're still struggling with a decision, then let me make it even easier. If you have a small business to run and want to have an easy way to accept payment online from customers, then Payolee seems likely to be the best choice. Let me say why I feel that way. I'm guessing you are not likely to do a lot of business online. And most of your sales might come through direct sales. In that case, you will be taking cash or even bill customers' credit cards the regular way. You won't be doing a lot of transactions on the platform. Conclusion. I know to decide on a payment gateway, you require to have expert opinions as well as the people's experience of using it. And Payolee has good customer feedback, which is a good sign. Yes, the company is still small compared to some giants and there is much more to improve. But the things that matter the most, they got it to the T. So, if you're looking to set up a gateway to accept payments online in seconds, then there is very who comes close to the quality of Payolee. Especially, small businesses can partner with it to grow themselves as well as let it grow too. It's like a match made in heaven if you ask me. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check the description for the joining link. Subscribe, like, and share the video.